Hello and welcome to Rentio Toor Dal Recipes, and I am Chef Shivani Mehta. Today's recipe is about simple fat-free dal tadka, which is also full of protein. A perfect recipe made out of fat-reducing olive oil for all those health freak and vegan people out there. So let's get started. I know you love this recipe. Also, don't forget to share your healthy tips and secrets along with us in a comment section. Don't forget to like our social media pages and don't forget to share your friends and family about us. Thank you so much.